Assalamu alaikum. Today I will talk about some electricity gadgets. So let's move towards the topic. Here you are looking at the socket is giving here. This socket is used to plug in while you want to run some electrical appliances on electricity, and this is the plug that we use when we want to do something switch in and switch out. This is called plug, and this is the button that you are looking here. This is the button that you can on and off easily. So this switch is used when you have a this is the electric board in which you are looking that there is a button that we use to switch in and switch off some electrical appliances, and it is the plug that works when you put it into the sockets and switch on or off the bulb. So here are the clips of the battery that we used when we want to work some electrical appliances on solar energy. So we put this plug into a battery, black and red into a red clip in this way. So then you are looking here. There is a main switch board. Here you are looking that the cutout are given here. These cutout in which wire is fixed. These cutout are used to supply the main electricity power from the electric board. It is the DC current also, that is coming directly from the pole into the board, and with the help of the cutout you can easily switch in and off the supply of electricity. It is the main switch. By this switch button you can easily power off or cut off the supply of the total electricity.